And so, our hero set forth to Morrow Caverns in search of a map to the mythical Fulcrum Star. With him was Rusty Pete, a noble and true corsair, adored by women across the galaxy.
This be a work of fiction.
Do you even know where we're going?
Of course I do. I got GPS. Look.
Turn right at Isle of Despair. In 5 leagues, keep left.
I love this thing. Hanukkah gift from me mom it was.
Arriving at destination on right.
Here we are, Morrow Caverns. Famous for its majestic fjords, soothing grottos, and legions of tortured souls awaiting their chance for revenge.
What?
What? I didn't say nothing.
I still don't understand why we need Slag to find Darkwater. Didn't you help him hide the ship?
Well, I was a bit exhausted at the time. Woke up 3 days later wearing an evening gown and spooning a kerchief. Watch your tails!
Ratchet, I'll try to find a way out of here. Just promise we'll leave this place together, okay? Thanks, Ratchet.
Lumbucks and Marcasians sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-S-I-N. Huh?
Will you shut up? What?
This path is so dangerous, so forbidden, that only a recitation of the fabled Song of the Dead shall open the way.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is me handle, here is me spout.
Whoa.
There she is, right where we left her.
And you're sure Darkwater's holding the map to the Fulcrum Star?
Of course I am. Kinda wish I'd known at the time. That star would have bought a lot of grog. But a deal's a deal.
The fairest battle in pirating history. Right.
Why don't you stand right there, mate? I'll check for booby traps.
Booby traps? Isn't that a bit cliche?
Not at all, mate. After all, you're the boob, and here's the trap!
And now you tricked us.
I'll forever bind me soul to me body.
Cheers for the help, mate! Couldn't have gotten through the cabins without you! Sorry, old chum. What could I say? I'm a pirate! But here's a little something to show that there's no hard feelings.
Ahoy there, me hearty! This be Captain Slag, scourge of the galaxy, and... Dirty backstabber, no good take a trade! Darkwater, ye got a lot of nerve possessing me. This be my body now! Watch your tongue, you made-you-old body snatcher, or I'll carve out your gizzard and fry it for me supper! Tough talk for a wee little phantasm.
Oh, I'm a phantasm on account of you sticking this blade in me back, you miserable cheat!
All right, enough! I think you two could do with a good pillaging. Set course for Holafar, our island!
Thanks, Ratchet. I knew you'd keep your promise.
Come on! We gotta get back to the island before Slag does!
So, in his effort to claim the Fulcrum Star, our hero was outwitted by the charming Rusty Pete, a loyal pirate whose only desire was to bring back his beloved Captain Slag.
Scourge of Polaris and winner of Zordoom Prison's semi-annual beauty pageant.
Of course, there were a few side effects. Hundreds of undead pirates were now free to roam the planet. And the captain now had to share a body with the pirate he killed long ago. But all in all, it was a great day.
It's them! They're attacking us! The undead crew of Angstrom Darkwater. Here, take these. They washed ashore this afternoon. Head for the Obsidian Eye!
Them's be undead pirates! Run for your lives!
It's the curse of Darkwater! The rumors are true! Save yourselves!
All you gotta do is believe in yourself, and everything will change. You got the power, believing so wonderful. Feel the magic coming out from your heart. Everything is possible. It's a higher energy. It's a higher energy. It's a higher energy. Believing you're magical. All you
soul, I swear, you'll be dining with the devil by sunrise!
Ha ha! You saved us all, stranger.